पीछे दीवार के साथ या तो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम इसके ऊपर प्रेशर देंगे ताकि वो पीछे ना जाए। ठीक है, चलिए लिफ्ट the body to upper side. अब the chair का दोनों नए टेबल के ऊपर रहेगा। इसको द ऑफिस कंसल्ट, हम ऑफिस में वर्क करते हैं उसके साथ करें। कहाँ पे खड़े करेंगे? आपके चेयर के एकदम नजदीक। तो यहाँ का जो डिस्टेंस है वो 1 फीट से भी कम है। जितना आप नजदीक रह पाते हैं उतना आपको मुश्किल रहेगा। आप सोफा का उपयोग भी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, चलिए आप ये डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करें आपके दोनों प्लेट और चेयर की चेस्ट के साथ। इतना डिस्टेंस रहना चाहिए। चलो इस तरह बोल दो, मेरे को मुद्रा नमस्कार। स्टैंड प्रॉपर्ली, दोनों पैर नजदीक है, दोनों नी नजदीक है, आपका हिप टाइट है, बेक टाइट है। मेरे को मुद्रा नमस्कार। गो फॉरवर्ड एंड स्ट्रेच। लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप, स्ट्रेच, गो फॉरवर्ड, होल्ड योर चेयर। यस, आप सीट को पकड़ सकते हैं, हिप टाइट। यहाँ पे जो वजन है वो आपका सर है, वो सोफा या चेयर के ऊपर जाने के लिए। ठीक है, तो मुझे तो ऊपर साइड राइट नेक को पीछे करेंगे, स्ट्रेच। यहाँ पे फोकस रहेगा आपके पीछे वाले पैर के ऊपर। ऑलरेडी दोनों हाथ आपकी चेयर के ऊपर है, चेयर के ऊपर प्रेशर करेंगे। सेकंड नेक को पीछे लेके जाएंगे, गो फॉरवर्ड, स्ट्रेच, नेक मुद्रा, गो डाउन, और परताशन, राइट नेक को आगे करेंगे, स्ट्रेच, left to against the then lift your body up, stretch and चलो पोस्चर करेक्शन करें। ठीक है, नमस्कार बनाइए, और भी आगे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करो, हिप टाइट, गो फॉरवर्ड, स्ट्रेच, लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप, मेक अ कर्व, गो फॉरवर्ड, होल्ड योर चेस्ट, हेड डाउन, राइट लेग को पीछे लेके जाइए, स्ट्रेच, पूरा स्ट्रेच करो। यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली स्ट्रेचिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, आप जितना पीछे लेके जा सकते हैं उतना। लेफ्ट लेग को पीछे लेके जाइए, स्ट्रेच करें और रोटेशन। ये होल्डिंग है तो सब करता है। राइट लेग को आगे लेके आइए, स्ट्रेच, लेफ्ट को आगे लेके आइए, बेंड, हेड डाउन, लिफ्ट योर बॉडी अप, स्ट्रेच एंड थर्ड साइड को टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ, go forward, breathe out, breathe in, open the both hand upward side, go forward, all Padmasana, head down, lift your body up, right leg को पीछे लेके जाइए, लेफ्ट को पीछे लेके जाइए, स्ट्रेच करें और Padmasana, राइट लेग आगे, स्ट्रेच, लेफ्ट लेग आगे, bend, lift your body up, stretch, and the fourth side to a little bit, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, all Padmasana, head down, lift your body up, right leg को पीछे लेके जाइए, stretch, left को पीछे लेके जाइए, stretch, lift करो खुद को, all Padmasana, right leg आगे, stretch, left leg आगे, bend, lift your body up, stretch, go back, and the fifth asana, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, bend, holding, lift your body up, right leg reaching, stretch, left leg reaching, stretch, lift your body, on rotation, right leg up, left leg up, head down, lift your body up, stretch it, and release. Good. The sixth asana, take a deep breath, go forward, stretch, lift your body up, stretch, go forward, head down, lift your body up, right leg को पीछे करें, stretch, left को पीछे करें, stretch, contraction, stretch, right leg आगे, stretch, left leg आगे, right, lift your body up, stretch, and फिर अपोजिट साइड करेंगे, लेफ्ट साइड। ये डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है, ठीक है, सबसे होगा, कोई गिरने वाले भी नहीं है और किसी को नहीं गिरने वाला है। तो सपोर्टिव आसन आप सब कर Take a grab on outward side. Go forward, stretch. Lift your body up. Take one side, stretch. Go forward, head down. And lift your body up. Left leg reach and stretch. Hold it and release. Right leg reach and stretch. Hold it and release. On Padmatasana, stretch. Left leg out knee, bend and release. Right leg out knee and bend and release. Lift your body up, stretch and chill. Second cycle on the left side. Take it easy. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Left leg reach and stretch it and release. Right leg reach and stretch it. Go down. On Padmatasana. Left leg down and stretch it and release. Right leg down. Head down. Lift your body up. Stretch and the front side. Take a deep breath. Go forward. Stretch. Lift your body up. Stretch. Go forward. Head down. Lift your body up. Right leg down and stretch and breathe. Left leg stretch. On the direction. Left leg up. Stretch. Head up and breathe. Right leg up. Ready and breathe. Lift your body up. Stretch. So the fourth cycle up. Take it breathe. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let it reach in. Stretch your body up. Let it reach in. Stretch your body. Go down. On the direction. Left leg up. Stretch your body up. And breathe. Right leg up. Head down. Lift your body up. Stretch and the fifth cycle. Take it breathe. Breathe out. Stretch. Breathe in. Lift it up. Breathe out. Breathe down. Let it go. Stretch to the hook of the feet. And breathe. Right into the belly. Stretch to the foot side. Go down. Left leg out. Sit your body up. Right on the belly. Head down. Lift your body up. Stretch. And the sixth cycle, you complete the 12. 1. Go forward. 2. Lift your body up. 3. Go forward. Head down. 4. Left leg reaching. 5. Right leg reaching. 6. 7. Left leg up. 8. Right leg up. 9. Head down. 10. Lift your body up. 11. And थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे आपको अपनी के हिसाब से करना है we complete 12 ठीक है take it deep breathe out go forward open your body breathe stretch go forward head down right leg stretch left leg stretch go on for the Padmatasana right leg up stretch left leg up then lift your body up stretch completely and take it breathe take a second breathe out lift your body up stretch breathe out go forward take down lift your body up right leg reaching stretch it left leg reaching stretch on for the option right leg up stretch left leg up bend lift your body up and stretch and cycle. Take a deep breathe. Go forward. Open your body. Go backward. Breathe out. Take down. Right leg over the body. Stretch. Head up. Left leg over the body. Stretch. And up. On Purasana. Stretch. Right leg up. Lift your feet. Left leg up. Hit down. Stretch the body out. Sit it out. Upper side. And breathe. Four cycle. Breathe out. Take a deep breath. Go backward. Go forward. Head down. Right leg reaching. Sit your body out. Left leg reaching. Switch your body out. Go down. On for the tension. Right leg up. Switch. Left leg up. Then head out. Stretch your body out. Lift it up. Then lift the cycle. Take a deep breath. Go forward. Stretch. Take a deep breath. Lift it up. Stretch. Go forward. Head down. Lift your body up. Right leg reaching. Stretch it. And release. Left leg reaching. And switch for the function. Right leg up. Stretch. Left leg up. Then lift your body up. Stretch it. And the fifth cycle, we're going to take the 12th cycle from the side. Take a deep breath. Go forward. Breathe out. Stretch. Go forward. Head down. Take a deep breath. Right leg reaching. Stretch it. And repeat. Left leg reaching. Stretch. All for the function. Right leg up. Switch. Left leg up. Then lift your body up. Stretch. Upper side. And to the opposite side. We got to take the 18. Take the breathe. Go forward. Lift the body up. Stretch. Go forward. Hit down. Lift your body up. Left leg reaching. Stretch. Right leg reaching. Stretch. Lift your body up. Rotation. Left leg up. Stretch. Right leg up. Then hit down. Lift your body up. Stretching. Back. Take a breathe. Ready. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hit down. Breathe in. Left leg reaching. Stretch. Right leg reaching. Stretch. Lift your body. On for the fashion. Left leg up. Stretch. Right leg up. Then lift your body up. Stretching. Upper side. And stay between the third cycle. Breathe out. In. Stretch. Out. Take down. Lift your body up. Left leg reaching. Stretch. Right leg reaching. Stretch. Lift your body up. Ready. Right leg up. Left leg up. Stretch. Right leg up. And take down. Lift your body up. Stretch. And the fourth cycle. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Lift your body up. Stretch. Go forward. Take down. Lift up. Left leg reaching. Stretch. Right leg reaching. Stretch. Lift your body up. Hold for the function. Left leg up. And stretch. Right leg up. And then lift your body up. Stretch. Lift it up. Back. The fifth cycle. Take a deep breath. Go forward. Breathe out. Go forward. Breathe out. Left leg reaching. Stretch. Right leg reaching. Stretch. Go forward. Rotation. Left leg up. Stretch. Right leg. Then lift your body up, stretch, upward side. The fifth cycle, you completed the 24th. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Deep in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And release. And release. चलो अपोजिट साइड करते हैं ठीक है आप सेम साइड यूज कर सकते हो अपोजिट साइड यूज कर सकते हो राइट टू लेफ्ट सेलेक्शन completed 24 whereas 24 make a mudra go forward right take it deep lift your side go forward head down lift your body up right leg goes down switch lift your body up left leg goes over gently stretch lift it up all for it right leg body stretch left body head down lift your body up stretch upward side and the second person take it to go forward stretch breathe lift it up go forward head down right leg to the stretch the body upward side and release left leg to stretch and release all for the traction right leg down stretch and release left leg down and then lift your body up stretch upward side and the third cycle take it deeply go forward stretch take it deeply lift your body up stretch breathe out go forward head down lift your body up right leg to the stretch head up lift your body up left leg to the stretch lift your body up on for the push right leg vertically stretch and release left leg vertically and then lift your body up stretch upper side and release and release. The third cycle take it breathe out go forward breathe in go backward breathe out go forward breathe in right leg पीछे straight your body up and then left leg पीछे straight your body up और forward action and right leg आगे stretch left leg आगे then lift your body up stretch upper side go big and the fourth cycle take it breathe out go forward breathe in lift up go forward Adasana head down right leg to the body stretching lift your body up left leg to the body and straight lift it up one for your posture right leg to the body and straight lift your body up left leg to the body and then lift your body up stretch upper side and release and the sixth rasana take it deeply go forward stretch breathe in upper side breathe out go forward head down lift your body up right leg to the body and stretch lift it up left leg to the body and stretch lift it up all for the posture right leg to the belly stretch and release left to the belly and then and release lift your body up stretch it and चलो अपोजिट साइड से करेंगे action. Let it go away and stretch. Lift your body up and let it go away and then lift up, open your body, stretch and the second side to take it easy. Go forward, lift up, stretch, go forward, look down, let the feet change, take the body down, lift the body up, let the feet change, go forward, stretch, lift it up, on the back, let it go away and stretch, lift the body up, let it go away, head down, lift it up, open your foot, stretch your body up. The third cycle, fourth cycle, go forward, stretch, lift the body up, stretch, go forward, head down, left leg position, stretch, head up, head down, right leg position, stretch, and release. On one function, left leg position, stretch, head down, and release. Right leg position, head down, lift the body up, stretch, upward side, and the next, so 36. Because we take the 12, 12, 12, the person. 23, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, let it be, let it be, stretch, and release, let it be, consider, stretch, and release, on the right, let it go, put the foot down, lift it up, let it up, head down, take it in, lift it up, stretch it, and release, stretch. We continue with the fourth cycle. प्रॉपर स्ट्रेचिंग करना है, प्रॉपर पोस्चर लेना है, ठीक है। पहला पोस्चर करेक्शन करते हैं, अगर कुछ करने नहीं होता लोडिंग को स्ट्रेट एंड फिक्स। नमस्कार मुद्रा बनाइए, आगे की तरफ स्ट्रेट, गो फॉरवर्ड, लिफ्ट इट अप, स्ट्रेट, सीधा उठो, open your both hands, go down, hold your face, head down, lift your body up, right leg go down, थोड़ा पीछे ले लेना, ठीक है। Knee down and stretch and release. And release. Left leg position high. Go forward. Open your right leg. Stretch and release. Go back on forward path. Complete stretch करें. Right leg को आगे लेके go down and release. And release. Left leg को आगे लेके head down. Lift your body up. Stretch upward side. And take it deep. Go forward, stretch, lift it up, upward side, go forward, hit down, lift the body up, right leg reaching, stretch down, head up, lift the body up, right leg reaching, stretch, upward side, on to the top, stretch, right leg going to the knee, and stretch, lift it up, and bend, head down, take it straight, lift the body up, stretch up one side, and the third cycle, take it deep, go forward, stretch, take it deep, lift up one side, and release, go forward, head down, take it deep, lift the body up, right leg position, stretch down, lift up one side, and release, left leg position, stretch, go forward, on forward action, right leg up, stretch, lift your body up, left leg up, Uttanasana. Lift your body up. Right leg to picture belly. Stretch and release. Left leg to picture belly. Go for it and stretch and release. All Padasana. Stretch. Right leg to belly. Stretch your body down. Lift your leg high and release. Right leg to belly. Sit down. Lift your body up. Stretch. Upward side. And the fifth cycle. Take it to breathe out. Go for the lift your body up. Stretch. Move forward. Head down. Lift the body up. Right leg reaching. Stretch it. And left leg reaching. Go forward. Stretch. On for the Kashima. Hold it. Right leg up. Stretch. And release. Left leg up. Then lift the body up. Stretch. Upper side. And the sixth cycle for the right side. Take it deep. Breathe out. Go forward. Lift the body up. Stretch. Go forward. One point. Lift the body up. Right leg to chicken. Stretch. Hold and release. Left leg to chicken. And release. Hold for the back and release. Right leg to chicken. Stretch and release. Left body. Stretch. Head down. Lift the body up. Stretching upward side. And left leg to the completed the six. Okay. 24 completely. Breathe. Go forward. Breathe. Upper side. Move forward. Head down. Left leg to the chicken. Stretch it. Head up. And right leg to the chicken. Stretch. Head up. And release. All for the Dashana. Stretch. Left leg to the chicken. Stretch. And release. And then stretch the chicken. And bend. And release. Lift the body up. Stretch. Upper side. And the second cycle, take it deep. Go forward. Breathe out. Breathe in. Lift your body up. Breathe out. Go forward. One Balasana. Lift your body up. Left leg to the chicken. Stretch it. Head up. And release. Right leg to the chicken. Stretch. And release. One Balasana. And release. Left leg to the chicken. Stretch. And release. And right leg to the chicken. Lift them. Lift the body up. Stretch. Upper side. Sit it up. The third cycle, take it to go forward. Stretch. Forward. On hold. Head down. Left leg lift. Stretch. Pull down. Head up. And release. Right leg position. Stretch. Head down. Lift the body up. Left leg vertically. Stretch it. And release. Right leg vertically. Bend. And release. Stretch. Upper side. And the sixth cycle, we completed the 48. Breathe in, go forward, stretch, breathe out, lift it up, go forward, head down, stretch your body up, left leg to chicken, stretch down, lift your body up, right leg Stretch down, little up, on Padmasana, left leg up, stretch, right leg up, then lift your body up, stretch, upper side, and चलो अभी कंप्लीट 48 फलिंग के साथ एक करेंगे उसके बाद दोबारा 12 साइकिल ट्राई टू 50 take it easy breathe out breathe in breathe out breathe in right leg पीछे stretch head up breathe out left leg पीछे breathe in lift it out breathe out right leg आगे stretch lift your body up left leg आगे head down stretch your body up lift it up upper side and the second cycle take it easy go forward stretch lift your body up upper side go forward head down lift it up right leg पीछे stretch lift your body up left leg पीछे go forward stretch lift it up on the top right leg आगे stretch lift your body up left leg आगे head down stretch it upper side lift your body up and the third cycle take it easy go forward stretch lift your body up go forward on the side stretch lift it up right leg पीछे stretch it lift your body up left leg पीछे go forward stretch on the side right leg up stretch it lift your body up left leg up head down stretch your body up upper side stretch back and the fourth cycle go forward stretch lift your body up stretch go forward head down lift your body up right leg पीछे stretch it upper side left leg पीछे go forward stretch Padmasana right leg up stretch lift your body up left leg up head down stretch your body up upper side stretch up and take it easy go forward stretch lift your body up backward side go forward head down right leg को पीछे करें stretch left को पीछे करें stretch lift your body on Padmasana left leg आगे stretch and release right leg आगे then lift your body up stretch upper side and the sixth cycle take it easy go forward stretch lift your body up stretch it go forward head down lift your body up right leg को पीछे करें stretch lift your body up left leg को पीछे करें go forward stretch on Padmasana right leg up stretch up and left leg up then lift your body up stretch upper side and the sixth cycle take it easy go forward stretch take it easy upper side go forward head down right leg को पीछे करें stretch it lift your body up left leg को पीछे करें go forward stretch on Padmasana right leg आगे stretch lift your body up left leg आगे head down stretch your body up upper side backward side and opposite side से करेंगे left side take it easy go forward stretch lift your body up upper side go forward head down lift your body up right leg left leg को पीछे करें stretch it head up lift it up right leg को पीछे करें stretch on Padmasana left leg आगे stretch Go forward. Take it breathe. Wait for the sun. Breathe out and head down. Lift it up. Let it easy. Stretch it and release. Let it easy. Stretch and release. On Panatasana. Let it up. And release. Let it up. Then lift your body up. Stretch upward side and the third side. Take it breathe. Go forward. Stretch. Lift your body up. Stretch. Go forward. Head down. Lift your body up. Let it be. Stretch it. Head up. Lift it up. Let it be. Stretch. Lift your body up. On Panatasana. Let it down. Stretch. Right it down. Stretch. Head down. Lift your body up. Stretch. Upward side. And the fourth cycle. Take it breathe. Go forward. Stretch. Lift it up. Upward side. Go forward. Head down. Lift the body up. Let it be. Stretch it. Lift the body up. Let it be. Stretch. Also the touching. Let it up. Stretch it. Lift the body up. Let it up. Head down. Lift the body up. Stretch. Upward side. And the fifth cycle. Breathe out. Go forward. Lift it up. Stretch. Breathe out. Head down. Let it go down. Stretch it. Head up. And release. Let it go. Stretch. And release. Head down. And release. Let it go. Stretch. And release. Let it go. Head down. Lift it up. Lower down. Straighten it. And the 60. The 68 thousand. Holding the back side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go forward. Breathe in. Upper side. Breathe out. Head down. Take it breathe. Let it go together. Stretch. Breathe out. Let it go. Breathe. Stretch. Breathe out. Let it go together. Breathe. Breathe out. Let it go together. Head down. Breathe. Lift your body up. Straighten. And release. Chin. दो आसन थोड़ा फास्ट करते हैं दो मिनट वी कंप्लीटेड 60 ठीक है 60 थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे जो लोग कर पाते हैं वो लोग फास्ट करें जो नहीं कर पाते वो रेस्ट करें ठीक है प्राणायाम स्टार्ट करें go forward stretch lift it up go down head down let it be stretch it lift it up let it be stretch it on the let it up stretch lift it up let it up head down, stretch, upper side, lower, deeper, and second, take it breathe. Go forward, lift your body up, go down, stretch your body up, let it reach you. Stretch it, lift it up, let it reach you. Stretch, head down, Panatasana, let it up, stretch, and let it up, stretch, head down, lift your body up, upper side, and stretch and release. Can a big belly. We are going to check this out. Do not have to make it good. Take a deep breathe. breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and release. दोनों हाथ आपके थाई के ऊपर, take a deep breathe, breathe out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and release. चलो आपका लेफ्ट हैंड है वो नाभि के ऊपर रहेगा, राइट से मुद्रा बनाइए, टू फिंगर डाउन लॉक विद योर थंब, आपका फर्स्ट फिंगर है वो राइट मसल को बंद करेगा, मिडल फिंगर है वो लेफ्ट को बंद करेगा, आपका पूरा फोकस आपके बेली के ऊपर रहेगा, आपको इन आउट करना है, नेजल से राइट से लेंगे, लेफ्ट से आउट, लेफ्ट से लेंगे, राइट से आउट। चलो क्लोज योर लेफ्ट नोस्ट्रिल, क्लोज योर आईज, टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ फ्रॉम राइट, क्लोज योर राइट, लेफ्ट से आउट, लेफ्ट से इन, लेफ्ट क्लोज, राइट से आउट, राइट से इन, लेफ्ट से आउट, लेफ्ट से इन, राइट से आउट, राइट से इन, लेफ्ट से आउट, इन, आउट, in, out, 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 last one, in, and out. Okay. Make a mudra, two finger down, lock with your thumb. On your thigh, close your eyes, exhale open, take straight, normal breathe, start and down. Breathe out, in, out, in, out, last time, in, and out, and release. Open your mudra, rub your root bar on your face, neck, back of neck, chest, abdomen, and relax chin. Today is the fourth day. We completed the 6-0 sun salute with the help of the chair. Tomorrow we are going with the बोल्ड सूर्य नमस्कार। आपको दीवार के पास देखना है, दीवार का यूज करके हम करेंगे। सपोर्टिव सन सैल्यूट उन लोगों के लिए है जो नॉर्मल सूर्य नमस्कार में पोस्चर को करेक्ट नहीं कर पाते, उन सबके लिए। हमने जो सीक्वेंस किया उसी का बेनिफिट हमें नॉर्मल सेल सेगमेंट में रहेगा, जो हम स्टैंडिंग सेल सेगमेंट बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ पे हमने सीटिंग किया, फिर वज्रासन किया, फिर चेयर के ऊपर गए, अभी स्टैंड पे किया, अभी कल वॉल के साथ करेंगे, उसके बाद हम नॉर्मल करेंगे। आज का जो सूर्य नमस्कार है वो उन लोगों के लिए है जिसको स्पाइनल रिलेटेड इश्यू है, चाहे पूरा दिन सिटिंग करके काम करना है, सर्वाइकल पेन है, लंबर पेन है, स्पाइन में इंजरी हो, तो वो लोग चेयर का सपोर्ट करके कर सकते हैं। इसको बोलते हैं ऑफिस सूर्य नमस्कार। ठीक है, आप ऑफिस में कहीं पे भी काम करते हैं, जस्ट आपकी चेयर से उठना है और कंटिन्यूसली 2 साइकिल 3 साइकिल 4 साइकिल आप जितना कर पाते हैं उतना कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रेचिंग होगा वो पूरा लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम को एक्टिवेट करता है। And lympho is always good to protect from nasal disease in our body. It also protect the cancer from our disease, our body. ठीक है, तो जब भी आपको टाइम मिलता है आप ये कर सकते हैं। Now we are open. Anybody have a question? You can ask. चलो मुझे कोई बताएगा कि किसने 60 कंप्लीट की? How many